Ay, sige lang. So,
Nakakaloka ka naman.
so napansin mo naman.
Ang dami mong
medyo
eba.
hectic and tinan mo, ang dami nating nalulubat. Pero, so, alam ko nakakaramdam.
Oo, bilisan mo na nga eh.
So, ayan. May papanood ako sa'yo. At wait lang.
Hello.
Sorry po. Si Kay. Si Mami.
Replay
Ayan,
ko na
so,
ba to?
Ito.
Wow!
Ito letter to. Pero tuloy mo lang. Huwag
Ale,
mo munang
i-replay
babalik
ko
ta
to.
rin. So,
I-replay
sundan
ko
mo
to?
lang siya.
I-replay ko to.
So, balik natin. Okay. Sa mga letter.
Sige. Wow! Ang sweet naman.
Okay. Love you. So it started with a pen in hand, drew lines and plucked the strands, flown threads singing out in band, footprints in the time of sense, memories to where I began, songs we traded, our hearts would blend, every note our love would spend. A symphony by heaven's band, so the stroke out of lines of each face intertwined in melody of weight out of sight. There's a chord stays alive. Keeping faith, my blue dearest, as we write this tune in light. Take my hand and hold on tight. Deep breaths, let's take a flight. Everything's been the clearest when you're here staying by my side. In your love I will confide. You're a grace that glistens bright. Through the years we comprehend each other's strokes, how they would blend. Promises that we defend. In your eyes my fears relent. Stormy nights and moments when I've endured and took a stand. In every page our souls were met, until unfolding in God's command. As the stars realize, pull of waves that collide. In face of trials, friend and divine, there's a beacon in the night. Keeping faith, my blue dearest, as we drift in oceans wide. I'm right here, laying by your side. Clutch close, let's take the glide. Hearts aloud, my sincerest, for every step we take through this life. In your love, onto new heights. With His grace, our souls ignite. In this moment, my love was dead. Knelt down, holding out my hand. With God's guide, our hearts have planned. I ask for you forever in this blessed bed.
Nakakainis. Saan?
Butay ka!
Ay, sorry.
And alam ko, hindi ako magaling mag-speech and everything. So, dinaan ko lahat sa kanta. And alam ko kung saan tayo nagsimula. And gusto ko yun din yung ano, yung paghuhugutan natin special. And, ayun, alam ko, ano natin, di pa tayo ganun katagal. Pero ang dami na natin pinagdaan.
What?
And,
Tagal na kaya nun.
wala pa yun, pero...
Hindi ka kita
lang,
naman nun, no?
sorry, di pala kita. Hello. Pero I love you.
Inulit.
Nagsimula tayo ng mahirap. Alam natin yun. Pero habang tumagal, natuto tayong mag-intindi. Saka magmahal. At,
Ano ba ng magulang ko yun?
oo naman.
Baka hindi alam.
Special things sa kanila. And lalo na kay daddy mo dahil siya yung pinaka ang aking
Bakit ako?
mole natin. Pero I love you're a grace that God has given me. And sobrang thankful ako sa maraming mga bagay. And ang dami kong gustong sabihin pero alam ko hindi natin kaya ngayon.
Gets na. Gets na.
Pero
Bakit
love,
sagot
ito yung tanong ko. Baliktad ba? Will you marry me, love?
Pakipot ka muna. Pakipot ka muna.
Lafa?
Hindi ko alam. Basta pa nilalagay ito?
Teka, tinatanong ka pa, hindi ka pa nasagot.
Sumagot pa.
Sumagot na po siya.
Sumagot ka dapat hindi kita napapinig. Sabi ko,
Alam niyo man,
alam ko nga.
stress po ata si Tito sa akin eh.
Kahit katabi ng bangkalaw. Naglobat ng lahat.
Naglubat nga po lahat.
Kaya nga eh.
Ay, nako.
Pero thank you po sa inyo.
Ang ganda naman.
Mabuhay, bakong kasal.
Sila.
Ano yung love?